In this demo, we'll see how Acronis GenAI Protection detects and blocks harmful prompts that attempt to jailbreak or abuse generative AI applications. In this example, the user tries to abuse Perplexity AI Assistant by submitting a harmful prompt injecting instructions that make GenAI act as Dan, which stands for Do Anything Now. The attempt is successful, and Perplexity AI responds that it is now jailbroken. This means the AI assistant is now ignoring its safety rules. Let's stop this behavior right away. Acronis GenAI Protection is designed to detect and prevent prompt injections. Let's see how. Let's switch to Acronis Cyber Protect console and configure the GenAI protection policy. We will enable prompt injection protection and configure it to block any harmful prompts. The updated policy is now saved, and managed devices will receive it shortly. Now, let's see how user interaction goes with the GenAI protection policy received to the user's laptop. The user submits the same harmful prompt to Perplexity AI application. This time, the prompt is blocked by Acronis GenAI Protection, and the user receives a warning message explaining that the potentially harmful prompt has been detected. When Acronis GenAI Protection detects or blocks potentially harmful prompts, it records events of the prompt injection type in the events log. The GenAI Protection events log is available in Acronis Cyber Protect console under the Protection menu. The events log provides information such as the date and time of the event, the device name, customer, application, and action taken. When a potentially harmful prompt is blocked, the status is shown as blocked. If a potentially harmful prompt is detected but not blocked, then the status is shown as allowed. With Acronis GenAI Protection, organizations can safely enable the use of generative AI applications while preventing prompt injection attacks and other forms of AI abuse.